In this video, we will be solving for the angles in triangles. Big things to remember: the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, straight angles are 180 degrees, and right angles are 90 degrees. These can start to look very complicated, but if you just do the calculations, you'll be fine. So let's start here. We know a straight angle is 180, so if this is 60, this is 120. Then the angles in a triangle add up to 180, 120 plus 38 is 158, making this angle 22 degrees. Next, coming over here, we have two right triangles. So then we can start over here. If that's 90 and that's 55, that is 145. So plus this angle, which has to be 35 to make this 180. Now, if x is 35, then x minus 5 is 30 degrees. And then 90 plus 30 is 120, plus another 60 is 180. As a final check on this, let's look at the big triangle on the outside. That has to be 180. So 30 plus 60 is 90, plus 35 is 125, plus 55 is 180. And we have our check. Coming down here to the bottom left, a straight angle is 180 degrees, minus 125 is 55. So then this is 55 degrees. We have another straight angle here, which is 180, minus 150 is 30 degrees. 55 plus 30 is 85. And then 180 minus 85 is 95 degrees. Finally, coming over to here, this looks very complicated, but just calculate one at a time and you'll be fine. So first, let's look at this triangle. 40 plus 120 is 160, making this 20 degrees. So then we come up to the straight angle here. 120 plus 45 is 165, making this 15 degrees there. Now you might look at these three and say, what am I supposed to do here? We can do one of two things. This big triangle has 180 degrees, so we can use that to solve for V, or we can look at this triangle. We're going to do both as a check. So then 40 plus 20 is 60, plus 75 is 135, making V 45 degrees. Then let's come to this triangle. 45 plus 75 is 120, making this 60 degrees. Then Y and W form a straight angle. So if this is 60, this is 120. So then, as a final check, we did the big triangle, we did this smaller triangle here, we got there. Let's see if Z, V, and W add up to 180. So 120 plus 45 is 165, plus 15 is 180, and we have our check. So again, calculating the angles in triangles in a larger figure can seem very complicated. You have to use what you have, calculate a new angle, use that information to calculate the next angle, and so on and so on and so on. As always, run through this 4 or 5 times and you should have it.